This was another request by New England Patriots fanatic 2019.
Man, I really hate Dad so much. Why? Because he has been grounding me every day for this past week. I wish I could get back at him, but how? Oh, I have an idea. I'm going to chainsaw my dad's PS4. Ha 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 ha. But first, I'm gonna get my dad's chainsaw out of his trunk. Okay, now time to chainsaw my dad's PlayStation 4. In 3, 2, 1. Yes, I chainsawed my dad's PS4. Yes, I chainsawed my dad's PS4. Yes, I chainsawed my dad's PS4.
Did I just hear you chainsaw my PS4?
Oh no, Dad is coming.
Oh my god. Caillou, I see my chainsaw behind you and my PlayStation 4 broken apart. So you definitely chainsawed it. That's it. You are grounded until you buy me a new PS4. Go to your room now.
Wow.